Good morning. I just wanted to run a few numbers with you. So 2 out of 3 guys will actually experience hair loss throughout their lives. Instead of waiting for your entire hair to fall, be more proactive about it and get onto different treatments that we have here at Beverly Hills Hair Group. Number 1 solution, finasteride. That's actually the medication name more well known under the brand name PRP. It helps diminish the testosterone, which is actually what targets your follicles and makes them thin out. Number 2, minoxidil 5%, more well known under the brand name Rogaine. Do not go under 5% or it's useless. It's a topical solution. You can buy it at any pharmacy over the counter. Apply once or twice a day in the desired areas. It helps with replenishing the hair. Number 3, a Vivisco Professional or any natural supplement. Vivisco Professional we recommend. It's full of biotin, enriched protein, seaweed, and shark cartilage. It really helps. It's all natural, no side effects. Number 4, PRP treatments mixed with A-cell, which is a micromatrix, has regenerative cell properties, think stem cells or your own fat that we liquefy mixed with the PRP. Also regenerative cell properties, very close to stem cells. It helps stimulate the follicles and giving them a second youth. Finally, if you've lost a lot of hair but you want to get your hair back, hair transplant, FUE, follicular unit extraction, hair transplantation, leaves no scars, leaves no marks, looks natural, nobody can notice it. Also, friendly reminder that PRP treatments do wonders in women. It helps with thickening the hair and growing stronger and faster. Hair transplantation also does wonders if you have patchy areas or thinning areas and you want a more rounded hairline, which is representative of a more feminine aspect. At the end of the day, stop using topics, stop using cover-ups, stop using gimmicks that just make you look ridiculous. Come in for real treatments, real hair restoration. At the end of the day, with good hair, you look more youthful and more healthy.